Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles. We have three puzzles left, not in today's newspaper of Thursday, January the 11th. No, it's the edition of the day before, Wednesday, January the 10th, 2024, because we have here three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the two stars Sudoku, and the jigsaw Sudoku with one star. In today's newspaper, there are no extra puzzles, no additional. So, yeah, I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. And the first puzzle I will do is the letter Sudoku. Let me zoom this in. And this will be number 77801. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. 27 printed letters, as usual. And the letters that I can use are unique letters. The H, the U, the V, the Dutch Y, the E, the R, the D, the N, and the O. And the goal is to solve this word in the last column. It's a Dutch word. After I've solved this, I will translate this in English. All right. So, for letter Sudoku, I need more time. Usually for 27 printed digits, need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, for letter Sudoku, average time 15 to 20 minutes. All right. So, let's get started. Let me see which letter I can use. How about V. O. We have O here also. Here should be the O. Okay. The R should be here. We have the N here. Come on, the V in the third row, the V in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left of V should be there. Okay. Three missing letters now. R is missing. In the middle column, well, we have R in this row, no R there. Here, R in this row, no R there. Only place left R should be there. Okay. Then two missing letters in the middle column. For letters Dutch Y. Well, we have a Dutch Y in the big square, so no Dutch Y there. So the Dutch Y should be here. And the letter. Let me see which letter. The H is missing here. The H. Yeah. Let me place the H there. So the O is missing here. Oh, we have an O here. So the O could be here, could be there. The D is missing here. Could be everywhere. And the letter N is missing. Well, we have an N here, so the N could be here, could be there. So the N should be in one of these two boxes. Okay. Let me see. Need an H here also. H. N in this row, N in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the N should be there. I marked those two boxes earlier with N. We have an N in this column, so no N there. N should be there. And I've eliminated here the O, so the O goes there. So one letter is missing for letter D. We have a D here. We have a... need an H here. H. Could be everywhere. And need an E. Well, E could be everywhere also. Yeah, that's why here. Need an O here. Need an O there. Well. How about here? Need an H here. In this row, we have an H in this column, no H there. So the H could be here, could be there. Need a D. D could be everywhere, and need an E. Here we have an E. Well. We have a pair, the O and the U in the last row, the O and the U in a row above. So that row, only two places left for the O and the U. Goes in those two boxes as a pair. Okay, need four missing letters now in this row. One of the missing letters is the V. We have a V in this big square, so no V in these two boxes. So the V could be here, could be there. Here or there, we have a V, another V in the last column, so no V there. V should be there. That's why in this row, that's why in the row below, so last row, the only two places left for the that's why should be here or there. We have a that's why in this column, no that's why there. That's why should be here. That's why in this column, that's why in the column next. So the last column, the only two places left, that's why should be here or there. We have a that's why in the second row, no that's why there. So the that's why should be there. Need a that's why here. Need a D here. And I need U. I need a U here. Well, we have a U in this column. So no U there. We have so the U should be here. And the D goes there. Well. D should be here. Well, one of the missing letter in this column is the letter D. Last column. We have a D in this big square, so no D there. Let me see. We have a D in this row, so no D there. So the D should be in one of these two boxes. V in this column, last column, V in that column. So the column between only two places left. The V could be here, could be there. Need an O here. The D is missing, the E is missing also here. And the letter H is missing here, the H. Well, we have an H in this last column, so no H in these two boxes. So the H should be there then. And the E should be together with the D as a pair. ED. Right. The H should be here. Yeah. H in the last row, H in one of those two boxes in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for the H. Could be here, could be there. H, E, and the D. Well, here can be a D. We have a D in this column, so the D could be here, could be there. Well. Can I be an E? So two missing letters in this column for letters R is missing. And the U is missing. R and the U. We have a U in this row, no U there. U should be here. And the R goes there. Well, I know the word. Let me continue. It's vrijhouden. Vrijhouden, yeah. Keep free in English in 10 minutes. Wow. Alright. You here. You in this row, you in that row. So the row between only 3 places left. The U should be here, or there. Oh, well. Well, wait. O and a U. We have a U in this column. No U there. U should be here and O goes there. Okay, let's go back. U in this row, U in that row. So the row between the middle row. Only 3 places left. The U should be here, or there. We have a U in this column. No U there. We have a U in the second column. No U there. So the only place left, the U should be there. Right. Okay. Keep free. Okay, 4 missing letters. One of the missing letters is an O. In this big square, we have O in this column. No O in these 2 boxes. And the other missing. Oh, wait. Let me put the O there. We need a U here. Well, in this big square, we have a U in this row, so no U in these 2 boxes. We have a U in this column, no U in those 2 boxes. Only place left the U should be there. H is missing here. We have a H in this row, no H there. We have a H in this column, no H there. So the only place left the H should be here. And I've eliminated here the O, so the O goes there. So 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter E. E in this column, E in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between only 2 places left the E goes together with the V as a pair. The other pair in this big square, letter D is missing. And the letter R is missing here. Yeah, need a R here. Alright. Okay. Need a R. Yeah. One of the missing letter in this big square is a letter R. We have a R in this row, no R in these 2 boxes. We have a R in the second, no R in the that box. So the R could be here, could be there. Here could be also an R. N. Need an N here in this big square. We have an N in this row. The N in the middle row, so the row above the only 3 place left. The N should be here, or there. We have an N in this column, no N there. So the N could be here, could be there. The H, yeah, one of the missing letter in this big square is letter H. We have a H in this row, no H in these 3 boxes. Here an H in this column, no H in those 3 boxes. So the H in this big square could be here, could be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with H. We have a H in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be an H anymore. That box should be an H. So 2 missing letters now, the E and the D. Okay, E and D. E, D, R, and I need a V here. Yeah. V in this row, V in the row below. So the last row, the only 3 places left, V should be here, or there. We have a V in this column, no V there. V could be here, could be there. Alright. Alright. Come on. Need an E here. E, H, and a V. I need a V here. Well, in this column, we need a V. Here can be a V, because we have V in this big square. So the V in this column could be here, could be there. The E and the H are missing. The E and the H. H. Come on. 2 missing letters in the first row. For letters, E is missing. And that's why. We have an E in this column, no E there. E should be here. And that's why it goes there. Right. E. We have E in this column, E in that column, so the column between. Middle column, the second column, the only place left for the E should be here. And I've eliminated here the V, so the V goes there. And I've eliminated the R, so the R goes there. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter D. Here should be the E then. E and the D, so here. And that box should be the D. So actually it's 15 minutes. Okay, 15 to 20 minutes I've solved. Mark those two boxes earlier with the D. We have a D here, so this box should be the D. So the H and the E is missing. The H and the E. Okay. Let me continue. D, V. I marked those two boxes earlier with the. No, those letters are N. Two missing letters in the first column for letters. O is missing. And the D is missing. O and the D. O and D. We have an O in this one. No O there. O should be here and the D goes there. D in this column, D in that column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for D should be there. One box left in this big square for the letter N is missing. I've marked those two boxes earlier with N. We have N in the third column, so no N there. N should be there. V in this column, V in the third column, so the column between the only two places left. The V could be here, could be there. And I need a letter. H is missing. No H we have here. O is missing here. We have an O in the middle row. No O there. O should be here. And a V goes there. Okay. O, V. V and a E. We have V in this middle row. No V there. V should be here. And the E goes there. D and R. We have a D in this row. No D there. D should be here. R goes there. Two missing letters now in this row for letters. E is missing and that's why. We have an E in this column. No E there. E should be here and that's why it goes there. So here two missing letters. The H and the R is missing. H and the R. Well, I need to wait here. Here. E and a H. We have an E now in this column. No E there. E should be here. H goes there. Okay, two missing letters now in this column for letters. V and H, I believe. V and H. I need to wait. Oh, well, we have a V in this row. No V there. V should be here. And H goes there. Yeah, the H and R. We have an H in this row. No H there. H should be here. R goes there. And the final two letters in this big square for letters. R is missing. And that's why. We have a that's why in this row. No, that's why there. That's why should be here. And the R goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it to solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.